Hello, welcome to Allogenous Ideas. Today I'm going to be showing us how to install and activate theme and plugins on WordPress. So before we move any further, I'd like to explain what a theme and a plugin is. In WordPress, a theme is what affects the look of your website, the front end, what it looks like. For example, an e-commerce website and a real estate website, both of them they look differently. Part of what we distinguish one from one is the theme, basically. So plugin is what you use to extend the functionality of the site. For example, by default, WordPress won't allow you to sell something or to accept donations, payment. So with the help of a plugin, we can extend the functionality of WordPress to be able to do those things. So theme affects the look of your website. The plugins is what you use to extend its functionalities. So let's get right into how to install them. This is the website I'm going to be working with. It is locally hosted on my laptop. So you can check out this video that will be displayed somewhere here for how to set up a locally hosted website on your Windows machine. So for you to install theme and plugin on your WordPress website, you come to your dashboard. Let's work with the theme. So you come to appearance theme. You open it in new tab. The reason why I'm getting this is because I have only one theme installed on my machine on my website. So for me to add more themes to it, the two possible cases that we have done is if I have the theme file. So with the theme file, I can just come here, then I'll upload the theme if I have the theme file, if I have the file of the theme. So I can just come here, choose file. So I think I've downloaded Neville initially to my laptop. So I'll just open it, then I'll install now. So we wait for it to install. So you can see it's installing the theme now. Mind you, this is a free WordPress theme. I downloaded it from this page, WordPress.org. Then you come to themes. You see so many themes here. So I like Ocean WP. This is Navy over here. My favorite is actually Astra. Astra is my favorite. So as you can see, the plugin is installed successfully. If I should come to leave this, it's because I'm running it on localhost. So come to the themes page. Okay. So this is the themes page. Don't forget, I had 2019 initially. Now I have Navy because I installed it from the theme file. So the theme file, I told you I downloaded it from here. So when you get here, Navy, where are you? So come here, click on this download button to download it. So I might as well install from the word from directly from WordPress right here. Let's say I want to install my favorite, which is Astra. I can just come here. This is Astra over here. Then I'll install it. If there are any other themes here I want to install, for example, Ocean WP, I can just install from here. This is installed already, hence this installed um this, text that is being displayed here. So Astra is still installing, and there are so many other very nice themes here. For Sydney, Colibri, Storefront. So this is still installing. What we did initially was we downloaded and we installed. What it's doing here is downloading and installing at the same time. So it will download it, then it will install it. So I won't want to wait for this to finish installing before we move further. So if we come to theme, um, come to theme, we will get all the installed themes on this site. We will get it in. I think the reason why it's still loading is because of this that is still installing. Okay, very good. So this is installed. This has been installed. So as you can see, my Astra is installed, Neve is installed. So I can come here. The themes are installed. I can only activate one at once on this site because the site cannot be looking like, for example, real estate site and an e-commerce site at the same time. You have to choose one. So you can only activate one theme at once at a particular time on a WordPress site. So I'm going to be activating Astra. Going to be activating Astra. So as you can see, Astra is activated. So that is it basically. That is how to install and activate a theme. You either install with the theme file or you just install if it's available on the WordPress repository. Come to admin and you get the options there. So for the plugins, you come to this, you come to plugins, you click on plugins. You can go directly to add new. So let me close this too. I have no need for them. So if you come to your plugins page over here, these are the plugins I have installed on this particular website. These are the plugins I have installed on this site. So if I want to install another plugin, I'll come to add plugins. So um, if, for example, I want to install the classic editor, I can just come here, look for the classic editor. I can look for the classic editor. I might decide to install from here, but what of the case where I just click on install now. What if the plugin you want to install is not available here? If it's not available in the WordPress repository, so you just get the plugin file, then you install directly using this upload plugin button over here. So you come here, let me get a plugin file from here, assuming it's not available. So we have so many plugins, so many of them. So let me look for um, what plugin, what plugin, what plugin. Let me look for security. Just get a random plugin to get a random plugin. Okay, see um all-in-one WP security. You can see it has 5 stars and let me get this. So I want to take, for instance, if I don't have, if the plugin is not available on the WordPress repository, so, and what I have is the file of the plugin files. So this is the file of this plugin. So for me to install using this, I'll come here. As you can see, the plugin is installed. If I want to activate the classic editor, I might decide to activate from here. So if I click on activate, so you can see my classic editor is currently active. So what if it's not available in WordPress repository and what I have is this plugin file? We come to plugins and we come to add new. So you come to upload plugin. So you choose the file. Let me just drag this in. So you can see. So you might just click on choose file. You select the file on your computer or you just drag this in. So you install now. The plugin has been installed. So unpacking the package, installing. You see, the plugin is installed successfully. So I might just activate the plugin here. So just click on activate plugin. So it's activating the plugin. So as you can see, all my plugins they are active here now. So one last thing I want to show us is that now we have installed and we have activated the plugin. What if I want to delete the plugin? So all you have to do is to deactivate the plugin. You can use this button over here to deactivate the plugin. So after deactivating it, you delete it. The plugin will cease to exist on this site. So if you want to delete a theme as well, you come to appearance, themes. Um, so if I want to delete, for example, this navy, I'll just click on it, then I'll click on this delete button, delete, and Never won't be on my site anymore. Now, it's a very good practice that if you're working on a particular site, that you keep your site as light as possible. Now, part of those things you can use to keep your site as light as possible is to make sure that your plugins are as minimal as possible. If you're not using a particular plugin, you don't have it on your site. If, for example, I have three themes here, If I don't, if I'm not going to be using this other two, I should just delete them. I have only the one I'm using. So that is it. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So when we post content, you get a notification on your device. So I'll be seeing us in the next video. Bye for now.